Oh, hey! Well, you're just in time for pre-orientation modules. So, let me give y'all some background information. Orientation is required for all new incoming students, both first year and transfer. But before you come to the university and before you come to orientation, you have to do what we call pre-orientation modules or life skills modules. These modules are very important because they have information about our values and topics and policies here at the university. To make this a little bit easier for y'all, I'm going to break it down. Academic integrity is one of the modules you'll have to complete. This required module is designed to prepare you for academic success here at the University of South Florida. After working through the tutorial, you should take and submit the quizzes for credit completing this module. You will find this module in your Canvas portal to complete. The next two modules, Haven and ALCOHOLEDU, can be completed by going to bit.ly/BullsLifeSkills. Haven is about understanding sexual assault. This module provides you with the training on sexual assault, domestic violence, dating violence, and stalking. ALCOHOLEDU is a module that will inform you about the effects of alcohol on the body and mind. The next module is Cognito. This module teaches students, faculty, and staff about mental health and suicide prevention to improve academic performance, student retention, and campus safety. It is a great opportunity to learn the skills and resources to better support student mental health needs. This module can be found by going to usf.cognito.com. The last module you'll need to complete is financial literacy. This module will provide you with a basic understanding of credit, budgeting, and financial aid concepts. After the completion of this course, you should be able to effectively manage your finances while at USF. You can find this module under your Canvas portal. Now, it's important to note that all of these modules should be completed with an 80% or higher, with the exception of Haven, which just needs to be completed. Failure to complete all of these modules will actually hinder your ability to register for classes, so it's super important to make sure that you get it done before orientation. If you have any questions or concerns about the Academic Integrity module, you can email academicintegrity@usf.edu. But if you have any questions or concerns about the other modules, all you have to do is email lifeskills@usf.edu. Alright, Bulls, well that's all the information I have for you today about the pre-orientation modules or the life skills modules. If you have any further questions, please direct them to the emails that I told you about. So, I'm just gonna scurry back along. I'm glad I caught you up before I had to leave. And guess what? You were just in time.